but it all could be done when the Russians are very successful.
Hang out with the stuff. I'm sure that they're going to know. I mean, Colin's up there as well. Let's have a look. Luxury as a smoker's apparently. And it's also something for us to
Russian Federation Minister for Foreign Affairs. United States of America, Secretary of State.
Secretary Tillerson, what's
Nimet oradadır. Nimet.
I thought when we make the picture,
Of course not.
Der 20. Ministerrat der Organisation selbst auch mit ansehen, dass die Menschen dort sehr dankbar sind und von Hochschulzeugnissen über die Kontaktlinie hinweg beschäftigt. Und so den Trend müssen wir uns entschieden entgegenstellen. Denn ein Mehr ans herzlich dafür bedanken, dass es am Ende doch die Bereitschaft handlungsfähige OSZE haben.
Visions. There is talk of a new board and discussions that has made more and more difficult to address operation in some cases. When one OSCE country violates the territorial integrity and this challenge directly to the see that persistence of usual. In the DA we have focused much
on the peace in Vienna. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to begin my English address to you field. In return, I'm counting on your commitment in today's increasingly complex battle. At the same time, the participating states to weaken process to produce results, including they also had a great unifying potential. In our Central Asia, transformations in Southeast Europe. In all of these developments, I see great potential in growing exponentially to develop medium-term strategies for our Mediterranean and our